We have the head secured.
Guide the tail section into the container. Steady now.
Almost there. Secure the clamps.
This is not a movie monster. This is real. Deep inside the rivers, giants are captured.
What happens after capture is something no one shows you.
From living giant to luxury material.
In massive rivers, these giants are carefully captured. Every movement shows unmatched strength. After capture, they are transported under heavy control. Each one is kept isolated for processing.
Their size alone is terrifying.
Now the process begins. The separation is done with precision.
This skin become raw material. Every pattern is natural and unique.
The skin is treated and preserved.
Transformed into high-value leather.
Used in premium fashion items.
Every piece sells for thousands.
Demand never stops.
Crafted for elite markets.
Nothing goes to waste.
Distributed globally. A creature turned into commerce.
Is this necessity or cruelty?
Would you wear this? This is the hidden truth.